Good evening everyone and Madam Hazira. We are from group 1 and my name is Aliuddin. My group member is Haikal, Harit and Chong. We are currently pursuing a certification course in information technology at College Community Masjid Tanah. We are delighted to be here today and look forward to sharing insight and engaging with all of you. Today we are going to teach you how to set up VMware and install Windows on your computer. VMware is virtualization software that allows you to create and run virtual machine VMS on a single physical computer. With VMware, you can install multiple operating systems such as Windows, Linux, or Mac OS and use them simultaneously on one machine. This is useful for testing software, running incompatible applications, or managing different environments.
Hello. The benefit of using VMware. First, resources efficiency. Second, isolation and security. Third, flexibility and probability. Fourth, snapshot and backup. 5, scalability. And lastly, cost saving. The tools and the equipment need for the setup are VMware. First, desktop and laptop. Second, internet connection. We start the process about set up the window in VMware. You need prepare VMware app or start the process. If you don't have VMware app, you need to download first and install at the VMware apps. Thank you.
Step 1. Install VMware. Download VMware Workstation Player or VMware Workstation Pro from the official VMware website. Run the installer and follow the prompt to complete the installation. Step 2. Obtain Windows installation media. Download a Windows ISO file from the Microsoft website or use the physical Windows installation disk. Make sure you have a valid Windows license key. Step 3. Create a new virtual machine. Open VMware. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Choose typical for the configuration type and click Next. Select Installer Disk Image File ISO and browse to your Windows ISO file. Click Next. Choose the operating system version, Windows 10 or Windows 11 and click Next. Step 4. Name the virtual machine. Enter a name for your virtual machine and select a location to store the VMware file. Click Next. Step 5. Allocate resource. Set a maximum disk size for the virtual machine. The recommended size is at least 20 GB. Choose whether to store virtual disk as a single file or multiple file. Click Next. Step 6. Customize hardware. Click on the Customize hardware to adjust the settings such as memory, RAM, CPU, network adapter, and more. Allocate sufficient memory, at least 4 GB for Windows 10 or 11, and CPU core based on your host system capabilities. Click Close when done. Step 7. Finish setup. Click Finish to create a virtual machine. Step 8. Install Windows. Select the newly created virtual machine and click on Play Virtual Machine. The VMware will boot from the ISO. Follow the on-screen instruction to install Windows. Enter your license key when prompt and choose your installation type, usually custom for a new install. Step 9. Complete installation. Follow the prompt and to configure Windows, region, keyboard layout, user account, and more. Once Windows is installed, install VMware tools for better performance and future. Go to VM, install VMware tools. Follow the installation prompt within the Windows VM. Step 10. Finalize setting. Restart the virtual machine if prompt. You can now customize Windows setting and install any application you need.
To check your system information on Windows 11, first you need to type in Control Panel in the search panel and then click on the System and Security. Next, click on the System and then it will open the setting that show your system information like RAM, CPU, the processing